This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KAPE, and we continue to serve the Cape Girardeau area. If you are not in this local area, please tune to a station providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Cape Girardeau area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines are kept open for emergency use. Transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. At 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a discovery has been made about a 19-year-old individual by the name of Michael, also known as Clay Ranger 143, who has stepped on a Lego brick. As a result of this situation, his screams of pain and agony are being heard all over the world, resulting in people getting deaf after hearing these screams. Some people have also been reported to be exploding into pieces from the ear-shattering magnitude of these screams, and casualties have already been reported to be in the thousands. His screams are expected to reach the continent of Europe within the next 10 minutes. As a precaution, all residents of planet Earth, no matter where you are advised to shelter in place immediately. Lock all windows and doors, and cover your ears with as many objects as you possess, to prevent yourself from getting deaf. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more updates as they become available.